Kirumi Protein Kombucha delivers patented inner beauty innovation powered by Korean science. A unique protein kombucha, crafted from naturally fermented black tea and whole ingredients. Stick-type packaging and a low-calorie formula make daily enjoyment simple and convenient. Sugar-free protein kombucha with a low-calorie formula designed for clean and convenient enjoyment anytime. Now, discover 3 key strengths of Inner Beauty Protein Kombucha. Strength 1. Made with Korean, freeze-dried fruits to preserve authentic flavor and natural nutrients with 0 sugar and low calories. Protein Kombucha is produced in a HACCP certified facility to ensure trusted safety and quality. Strength 2. Naturally sweet, with no added sugar, this low-calorie kombucha lets you enjoy it lightly without guilt. Certified quality ensures safety, reliability, and confidence in every serving. For inquiries or partnership opportunities, please contact us